Burnout, brain fog, lack of motivation. We've all been there. But what if there was a way to reset your brain without medication or side effects? Wow Wave of Wellness is an advanced aesthetics and wellness clinic in the Quad Cities, now offering a breakthrough technology for mental health optimization that can help improve mood, energy, and focus. Here with us today to talk all about it is Dr. Aman Kaur, a board-certified physician and the founder of Wave of Wellness. Thank you so much for chatting with us here today.
Thanks, Morgan.
Yes, let's start there. Tell us a little bit more about Wow Wave of Wellness.
So Wave of Wellness is an advanced aesthetic and wellness clinic located in Davenport, just off of Utica Ridge, next to Unity Point Trinity Hospital in Bettendorf. We specialize in science-based, FDA-approved treatment for non-surgical facelift, body contouring, medical hair restoration. And now we are very excited to dive in mental health optimization with the launch of our new device, ExoMind.
So that's really something that we want to hear more about today. This new treatment, it's called ExoMind. What can you tell us about it?
So ExoMind is an FDA-approved device for mental health optimization. It uses transcranial magnetic stimulation to gently stimulate the parts of the brain that control mood, focus, and emotional regulation.
Wow.
It strengthens the neural pathway that gets disrupted when we are dealing with chronic stress, anxiety, or depression. It promotes neuroplasticity, that's the brain's ability to adapt and rewire, and also promotes positive neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin. Now, the result is more clarity, calm, and focus with no medications or downtime.
Wow, it's amazing that that kind of technology is not only available to people, but so readily available right here in our community. So you touched on this a little bit, but who is this treatment really for?
So this treatment would be a great option for anyone suffering from anxiety or depression, as well as any high-functioning person who's dealing with chronic stress, emotional exhaustion, mental fog. It's also shown to be beneficial for impulsive eating, PTSD, post-COVID mental fog, or sleep-related issues or insomnia.
So it's for a lot of people.
Yes.
You know, that all the things you just mentioned really encompasses a huge population of folks, especially nowadays when everything seems to be go
Yes.
at all times. So the treatment itself, what is it like to get the treatment? Is it in any way uncomfortable?
Not at all. It, in fact, is very relaxing.
Okay.
It feels like a gentle tapping sensation on the scalp, and many of our patients actually take a nap during the treatment.
Nice.
It is not a shock therapy. There are no needles, pain, or downtime involved. You can actually get the treatment and go back to your work.
Okay, so it's relatively quick. You're pretty much in and out. How often would you recommend this treatment? Is it a one-time thing, or is it something that people should consider a recurring treatment?
So we initially start with 1 or twice treatments per week for the total of 6 treatments. Each treatment is 24 minutes long, and many of our patients actually report improvement in focus, sleep, mood while getting the initial treatments.
Wow. It's really nice when you can start to see even a few of those results after the first treatment, because I think it just brings a little more confidence that you're making the right decision in pursuing that treatment. A really big focus for Wow Wave of Wellness is total body transformation. How does ExoMind really fit into that mission here?
Yes. So we offer advanced treatments like M-Sculpt for body contouring that builds muscle, burn fat, and face for face lifting non-surgically, M-Sella for pelvic floor strengthening. But the true transformation isn't just physical. It goes beyond. You can be in great shape, but if your mind is stressed or foggy, you don't feel or perform your best.
Yeah.
And that's where ExoMind comes in. It just completes the whole transformation from inside out.
So yeah, really combining the mind and the body with everything that you offer here. So speaking of that, something that you're launching is a treatment called M-Tone. So tell us about that. I think a lot of people are going to be excited to hear about it.
So M-Tone is for anyone who's dealing with dimples on their skin, lagging or loose skin on thighs, abdomen, or arms.
Okay.
It helps to break the pocket of fat, helps to improve the skin texture and smoothen the skin.
Yeah. I think one thing that's a really big takeaway from everything that we talked about today is how non invasive all of this is. Multiple times I've heard you say no pain, minimal to no downtime, no needles, none of that. That seems to be something that's very important to you and your staff here.
Absolutely, it is. And that's what I seek when I seek a treatment. I want it to be comfortable. It should not have any downtime because we live in a busy world. So these things are really very important to me. And that's why any treatment I choose, any device I choose, I make sure that I follow these principles.
Wonderful. So, a very exciting event. Can you tell us about the open house, the launch that you are hosting on August 6th?
So we are very excited to have an open house event for ExoMind launch on August 6th from 2:30 to 6:30 at our clinic. We'll have live demos for ExoMind, M-Sculpt, M-Face, M-Cella. It's a fun, full event, pressure-free way of learning what is available and what is new in Quad Cities in the field of wellness and aesthetics. It's an open house event, but if you're seeking demos, please call us to RSVP at 563-343-7015. We would love to have you there.
Wonderful. Really a great way for people to learn a little bit more about something they're already interested in without pressure and to really see it in action. So that event happening on August 6th. Dr. Aman Kaur, thank you so much for inviting us in and telling us about all you have to offer at Wave of Wellness.
Thank you. Thanks, Morgan.